guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with another product review. So for today's video I'll be reviewing the Mamaearth's onion hair oil. Now I have already tried out their onion hair mask and also I have made a review on it. So I couldn't wait to try out the onion hair oil, and also I have heard some amazing things about these hair oil. So I wanted to try it out, and also onion hair oil is one of their best sellers, so that made me all the more excited to try it out. So just a little disclaimer that few products which may work for me may or may not work for you, and vice versa. So whatever thoughts or reviews which I'll be giving on this product is based on my personal experience, and there is a high possibility that it may differ for you guys. So this is how the product looks like. As far as the package is concerned, it is quite sturdy and also it is travel friendly. Fragrance is quite mild, like जिसको migraine के issues होते, it won't be triggering those. It is quite mild and nice, and the formula is also quite light, like if you apply it, it will get absorbed quite easily and it won't feel greasy at all. So that is something which I look forward to in any hair oil. It is leak proof as well. Those are like the basic things, but still we do need to address those. And it is for 400 rupees for 150 ml of oil, which is a little expensive I feel, but I thought कि अगर ये work करेगा तो that will be all worth it. So I went ahead and purchased this. Issues I had with my hair was mainly frizziness, dryness and a little bit of hair fall, nothing major. So it's been a month since I'm using this hair oil, so now I think I'm qualified enough to give my honest and unbiased opinion about this product. So let's jump straight to the point. The first day when I applied this hair oil, while applying itself, there were hair just coming. I was quite shocked, to be very honest, because usually when I apply hair oil, I don't lose out these many strands. Like of course hair fall तो होता है थोड़ा बहुत, but nothing major. But when I applied this, while applying itself, I could see my hair just falling out and I was a little scared. So I thought कि चलो first time लगाया है, it takes time to suit your scalp, I won't be quick enough to judge. तो मैंने उसको overnight छोड़ दिया, and the other day I washed off with basic shampoo and conditioner, and दूसरे दिन भी बहुत hair fall हुआ, like बहुत ज़्यादा. And I could have stopped right there, but then I thought कि एक और try दे देते हैं, and this time I won't be leaving it overnight. I'll be just leaving it for 1 or 2 hours, which normally करते हैं. तो मैंने वो try किया, and second time also the same thing happened. I lost hair while applying the oil and also while shampooing it. And the same thing continued. Like I used to apply this twice a week, and इसके अलावा मैं और कुछ नहीं लगाती थी बाल को, because I thought कि चलो 2 to 3 weeks एक proper time है to see if the product is adjusting to your scalp, or if your scalp is adjusting to that product. But for a month I applied this twice a week, and वो full month was such a nightmare for me because I was losing out a lot of hair. And बीच में I even tried कि मैं ये oil नहीं लगाऊं, and मैंने normally shampoo किया, and वो time पे hair fall नहीं हुआ. And whenever I used to apply this oil and then shampoo my hair, I always used to face hair fall. So my experience with this hair oil wasn't the best. So that brings me to the end of the video. I'll be giving you some pros and cons. Is non-greasy, it is travel friendly, it is leak proof, and it has sturdy packaging, and it also did tame my frizz. And as far as the cons are concerned, it did nothing to my hair growth, and it in fact increased my hair fall. Not quite like the product, but I'll be using it because अभी तक खत्म हुआ नहीं है and waste किसको करना है. So I'll be using it, and I definitely won't be repurchasing it again. claims to boost hair growth, give strength and shine, and nourishes scalp. So as far as the hair growth thing is concerned, I absolutely saw no difference in my length or the hair growth. But one thing I liked is it did tame my frizz to a certain extent. But at what cost? Itna hair fall hoke, I don't really want to tame my frizz. I'm happy with my frizz, but I do want hair on my head. Once again, I would like to say that this didn't work for me personally, but it may work for you. So before making any sort of opinion about this product, if you want, you can try this out. Or if you have similar hair type or similar scalp which is dry like mine, so I don't think it will be working that well. So that's it for my today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.